Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and get a silk press and trim. I haven't had my hair professionally pressed out since probably 2015, 2016. So that is also the last time I had it professionally trimmed. I would trim my own hair, seeing as though I am a cosmetologist. I would just cut it off. Anyone that knows me knows I just cut my hair off. Just showing you guys her shop. Her shop was so cute, so clean, so professional. I will be leaving the hairstylist that I chose to get my hair done by in the description box. She is in the Kirby area. If you stay in Houston, she is over there. Pardon the angles. Her lovely clients that were there also getting service helped record some of these clips for me. I really didn't plan on vlogging this and figured why not. So this is her just blow drying my hair before the process and stretching out my hair. Also, leave down below if you guys would like to see more vlogs or makeup tutorials or hair tutorials, things of that nature. I don't really know what y'all want, so I'm just giving y'all some stuff. But this is her once again, blow drying my hair. I had to go ahead and get that camera back. I didn't know what that footage was looking like. So I'm just showing y'all my hair. Okay, so while I'm talking over, I'll also give you my reviews on the hair and my hair. So over the years, my hair has been thinning. Don't really know why, but I've started to take prenatal vitamins, and we're gonna see if that's going to help with my hair. It's always been thin, never really had thick hair. Everyone else in the family has thick hair, but I've always had pretty medium to thin textured hair until it's curly. When it's curly, it's full. Boy, look at them inches! Okay, y'all, I ain't know my hair was that long. Like I said, it's been a while. And I'm always just chopping it off to my shoulder. I never really just grow it out. So this was my first time actually trying to grow my hair out, and it got pretty long. I told her to trim whatever she felt needed to be trimmed. She said I really didn't need one, but I was like, girl, I'm paying you. You gonna cut something. So it started off with a 1/2 inch and then moved up, as you'll see. She ended up cutting like 1 inch, 1.5 inches off my hair. Because she goes over and she cuts it a second time. And some slight layers at the end, because I don't know if it's just me, but I love the way Aaliyah's hair used to be, with the face framing layers. That was just so cute to me, and my hair in this humidity down here in the South will never allow that. So she went on and cut those layers for me so I can have my 1 in a million day with those layers. That I told her to cut some more off, so she cut some more off of my hair off, so we can go ahead and get it popping. Also, during the time that I had my hair straightened, I did have to run back over it with my own flat iron. So, I don't know what heat protection she used. So, please don't ask me that in the comments, because I don't know. And look at that body. My hair has never flowed, whatever, swayed in the wind, none of that. It has never done that before. And I was too hyped. For the majority of the time, I wore my hair in this ponytail. If you follow me on Instagram, My Instagram is kaistone__. That's KAISTONE__. Y'all noticed I rocked the hell out of a ponytail. This humidity ain't no joke, and I just really wanted to preserve my press. So here is wash day. Excuse my eyelashes, y'all. I was going through some things, so just excuse my eyelashes. But my hair is very oily, has too many products in it, and just needs to be washed. My friends told me I could have waited, but yeah, no, it was time to go. So we're gonna go ahead and see if these curls come back. Let's see if these curls come back, y'all. That's like the biggest concern of most girls with natural hair. Is my curl pattern gonna come back? Am I gonna have heat damage? Which is another reason why I just went so long without getting my hair straightened. So we're gonna go ahead and wet that bad boy up, and I'm gonna just let y'all see. And I use all Aussie products on my hair, the Aussie Moist collection. If you do hair, then you understand why I shampoo twice. For some reason, it just seems like that first shampoo kind of breaks the product up that's in your hair, but it don't take it off. And then when you wash it that second time, it really gets your hair clean. Like, it gets everything off. Everything. And you can tell after I rinse this first little shampoo out, the lather is different. And we gonna see. It looks like my curls is coming back. Okay. Wave check. I'm coming for y'all. I don't even sleep with a do-rag. Bro, I'm getting hyped. I'm getting so hyped. Okay, y'all see that lather? Y'all see my hair? It's like lathering up real stiff. Like, it's really getting in there. And what I also like about this Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner is it does not dry my hair out at all. It does not dry my hair out. What I do in between for my scalp and my ends, I do use Jamaican black castor oil. On my scalp and on my ends, in between units, whenever I braid my hair, I will coat it with the Jamaican black castor oil. You can add whatever you want in that. You can mix almond oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, whatever whatever your heart's desire. Oh, it's getting a little hot and steamy up in here. Them curls is popping though. But I put that on my ends in between, like right after I get out of conditioning my hair. I'll use that to coat the ends of my hair because that's what I need to retain my length. And then I'll coat my my scalp with it as well. I also have been using their leave-in spray conditioner. So I really can't see y'all. I'm trying to show y'all my hair. So it looks like all my curls came back. It's time to condition my hair. I didn't condition that long just for the sake of the video. Normally I'll go to the store, I'll put a cap on and go to the store while conditioning and then come back and rinse it out. I'm not talking to myself, y'all. I am on the phone, but I just took the conversation out. So also let me know what y'all think, and what else to do. And them curls came back. Little twerk on them one time. Let me know if y'all want me to vlog going to get my eyelashes done. I'll see if it's okay with her for me to record while she does my eyelashes. And what else y'all want to do? Okay, so I spotted some heat damage. Hold on. Now, I did have to flat iron my hair in between. Not a full flat iron, but like a touch up. And I don't know if I did that or if the girl did that. So, we just gonna say it was me because I ain't used no heat protectant. But the rest of my hair, majority of my hair is still intact and it's still cool. So, it is what it is. Not enough to cut it. So yes, if y'all would love to go and get your hair silk pressed by my hair girl, by all means go and get your hair trimmed by her. Once again, I think her Instagram handle is the HAIRSTYLIST or HAIRSTYLIST or something like that. But it will be listed below in the description box. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I make a new video. Alright, y'all, stay blessed and continue to manifest. I hope you guys have a good day. And remember, the summer is starting. It's time to get out and have some fun. Peace.